Hello children and parents. I'm Amy, I'm from America. You are with me on Short English Vowels, A, E, I, O, and U. Now, we begin the lesson with a short vowel, IB, and ID. This lesson is most suitable for children, at the age of 6 to 10, and it should be supervised by adults, who can speak English. Remember that, material code, which can be found at the bottom, represents each lesson. Primarily, our consultant will ask for the code, before we can answer your questions, no matter how you make inquiry, by text message, or by phone call. The next slide will show you the content of this lesson. The lesson of the short vowel, IB, and ID, will start with an ABC song, followed by Identify English Vowels. Listen to English vowel song. Watch and repeat. Listen, point and repeat. Practice. Listen and chant. Review the short vowel, IB, and ID. Finally, listen to a short E and I song. Now, listen to an ABC song.
Let's sing the alphabet, A, B, C. Can you sing the alphabet from A to Z? A, B, C,
A, B, C,
D, E, F,
D, E, F,
G, H, I,
G, H, I,
J,
J,
K,
K,
L,
L,
M, N, O,
M, N, O,
P, Q, R,
P, Q, R,
S, T, U, V,
S, T, U, V,
W, X, Y, Z.
W, X, Y, Z.
Now we know the alphabet, A, B, C. We can sing the alphabet from A to Z.
Thank you. Now, identify English vowels. You must listen to the instruction very carefully, before you begin. Instructions. Tick all English vowel sounds. You have 30 seconds to do this exercise. Do not pause the video, because we give you the exact time to do it. And, we will tell you how many seconds you still have. You must start to do it, now. You still have 15 seconds to do it. Thank you. Please, check your answers on the next slide. The answers: A, E, I, O, U. Okay, let's enjoy a song called MacDonald Has Vowels.
Old MacDonald had some vowels, A, E, I, O, U. And on his farm he had an A, E, I, O, U. With an A here
Thank you. Now, watch and repeat.
B, ib,
E, B, ib,
b, ib, bib,
ib, bib,
d, id,
d, id,
id, kid,
id, kid,
b, ib,
E, B, ib,
b, ib, bib,
ib, bib,
b, ib, bib, bib,
ib, bib, bib,
r, ib, rib, rib,
r, ib, rib, rib,
d, id,
d, id,
id, kid,
id, kid,
id, kid, kid,
id, kid, kid,
l, id, lid, lid,
l, id, lid, lid.
Thanks for watching and repeating all the words. Now, listen, point, and repeat.
1,
b, ib, bib, bib,
Ib, bib, bib,
2,
r, ib, rib, rib,
r, ib, rib, rib,
3,
id, kid, kid,
id, kid, kid,
4,
l, id, lid, lid,
l, id, lid, lid.
It's time to practice, now. You must listen to the instructions very carefully, before you begin. Instructions. Listen and number the pictures from 1 to 4. You must start to listen, now.
1,
lid, lid,
2,
kid, kid,
3,
rib, rib,
4,
bib, bib.
Thank you. Please, check your answers on the next slide. Now, listen and chant.
Lid, kid, bib, rib. Lid, kid, bib, rib. Lid, kid, bib, rib. Lid, kid, bib, rib. Bib, bib, kid, kid. Bib, bib, kid, kid. Lid, lid, rib, rib. Lid, lid. Rib, rib. Lid, kid, bib, rib. Lid, kid, bib, rib.
Okay, review the short IB and ID sound. How do you pronounce this?
B, ib,
I, b, ib,
b, ib, bib,
ib, bib.
How do you pronounce this?
d, id,
D, id.
id, kid,
Id, kid.
How do you read this word? Then, match to the correct picture. Please, check your reading and matching on the next slide.
l, id, lid, lid,
L, id, lid, lid.
How do you read this word? Then, match to the correct picture. Please, check your reading and matching on the next slide.
id, kid, kid,
Id, kid, kid.
How do you read this word? Then, match to the correct picture. Please, check your reading and matching on the next slide.
r, ib, rib, rib,
R, ib, rib, rib.
How do you read this word? Then, match to the correct picture. Please, check your reading and matching on the next slide.
b, ib, bib, bib,
B, ib, bib, bib.
Now, listen to a short E&I song.
The pet needs a vet. The egg needs a box. The can needs a lid. And Dad needs socks. The kid needs a sip. The hen needs a jet. The pen needs ink. And she needs a net.
The pet needs a vet. The egg needs a box. The can needs a lid. And Dad needs socks. The kid needs a sip. The pen needs a jet. The pen needs ink. And she needs a net.
Match can to lid. Match hen to jet. Match kid to sip. Match girl to net. Match pen to ink. Match egg to box. Match pet to vet. Match dad to socks.
Well, here is the end of the lesson of the short IB and ID sound. Visit our website to find out more useful lessons. Please, help like our Facebook page and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video and practicing all exercises. Thank you.